Not all investors are created equal, and that is a good thing because when you know exactly what type of commercial real estate investor you are, you can skip the confusion, you can fast track your success, and you can avoid wasting years and a lot of money chasing deals using strategies that were never right for you in the first place. So today, I'm gonna break down the 5 different types of commercial real estate investors and help you discover which one you are. Let's dive in. What's up, wise investor family? Some people want to build a real estate empire, and others just want that passive income machine that they barely have to touch. Some love fixing and flipping and doing all the sweat equity, while others, they want that mailbox money and that freedom. And if you don't know your style, oftentimes you can end up picking the wrong strategy, which obviously can end up leading you to a lot of stress, a lot of financial pain, and a lot of wasted time. So as you can see, we have a variety of different real estate investment profiles that really fit what each individual's goals are based on their time, their skills, their energy, and what they're looking to accomplish. Now, when we really look at what the problem is that I see most new investors make, it's that they end up picking a strategy that actually isn't aligned with the goals that they are trying to accomplish. The number one mistake is that they chase the hottest trend instead of the strategy that actually fits them and their goals. One month it's multifamily, next month it's self-storage. Meanwhile, none of it actually fits their personality, their financial goals, and the lifestyle that they are looking to unlock. And that's why they burn out. They end up making bad deals or bad financial decisions, or worse, they sit on the sidelines and they actually never get in the game while others are building wealth. So, what is the solution to this problem? Well, you need to make sure that you align your investing strategy with 3 things. Number 1, your natural strengths. Number 2, we want to align your strategy and your investment vehicle with your lifestyle and your time freedom goals. And lastly, you want to align it with your capital and your risk tolerance. And when those are all in sync, everything gets easier, finding deals, making decisions, growing your team, your wealth. When you have all 4 tires of your investment vehicle aligned, it's going to be a much smoother, more seamless, and more efficient ride getting to where you want to go, versus if you got 1 or 2 of those tires, it's going to be a little bit bumpier, a little bit more turbulent, and it's going to take you more time, many times, off course. So let's go ahead and walk through the different 5 CRE investor profiles. That way you can understand each of them and which one might align best with you. Number 1, we have the passive income seeker. You're not trying to swing hammers. You're not trying to manage properties day to day, right? You just want that cash flow without the chaos. That's what we call the mailbox money, right? So you're probably looking at triple net leases, maybe investing as a limited partner in syndications or buying stock in REITs. This is clean. This is simple. These are oftentimes steady returns with minimal involvement. Obviously, there's some caveats and nuances that go along with it, but something that allows you to cash flow without the stress. Number 2 is the value add enthusiast. This is the individual that loves putting in the sweat equity, improving properties, right? Think small apartments, think storage, think of retail repositions. These are going to be for the people who love finding and extracting hidden potential by putting in that extra effort and work. You see a beat up strip center or an old office building and think, man, I could turn this around. I could, with this vision and this plan, we could really make some money off of this. And these are the individuals who thrive on repositioning properties, renovating properties, and forcing appreciation to create equity fast. Next, we have the Diversified Portfolio Builder. The Diversified Portfolio Builder is the individual that likes a blend of active involvement and the passive returns. You're not putting all your eggs in one basket. You like having some passive deals, but you also don't mind having some active deals as well. And this is balancing risk and reward across multiple properties or projects. You love data, you love diversification, you love building a fortress of cash flow. And this is a great way, based on the personality and the individual's goals, to balance income and appreciation across multiple assets or investment types. Next, we have the hands-off high net worth investor. This is the individual who's got plenty of money, but they don't have a lot of time. It's generally a high W-2 earning individual that isn't 100% focused on commercial real estate investing, right? You got that capital, but you don't want to be running around chasing deals, negotiating deals, managing projects, managing tenants and toilets and taxes and all the things that go along with running a commercial real estate investing business. You just want to stroke a check, invest the funds, identify key partners, operators, whether those are triple net deals or investing with another active real estate investor. Your focus is stability, preservation, and making your money work while you focus on your life and your business. Next, we have the real estate entrepreneur. Now, this is the individual who actually wants to make this a full-time focus and career. You want to build something. You want to create a business. You want to create a legacy through the vehicle, through the industry of commercial real estate investing. You are somebody that eats, sleeps, and breathes this. You're hunting for big deals. You're building relationships. You're out there networking. You're looking for development opportunities, value add opportunities, raising capital, scaling beyond yourself. You think bigger because you know you're building generational wealth. And this is something that most people graduate into over time, right? It often starts with one of the earlier profiles, and over time you identify that, hey, this may be a vehicle and an industry that I really want to create a business in. Now, these are the 5 different types of real estate investors in commercial. Now, why knowing your type matters is it's going to give you the clarity and help you avoid the wasted time that so many people mistake movement for achievement in real estate investing, wondering why they're not actually moving the needle forward on their goals, right? Getting financially ahead and actually seeing their net worth and their time freedom grow. Now, this is important because when you pick the wrong path, it really feels like you're swimming upstream. And when you pick the right path, it feels natural, like you're in that state of flow. The deals, the partners, the success, we're just waiting for you to show up. And when you align your investing type with your action plan, you're going to see that you're going to find deals faster, that you're going to grow your portfolio smarter, and you're going to hit your income and your freedom goals much sooner. Kind of like the analogy I talked about with the 4 tires on the car. When you actually have that alignment, it's much easier to build the momentum and create the efficiency and the speed that you're looking to create when moving towards the end goal or destination, right? So smarter deals, more momentum, less confusion equals a more productive and focused effort, which is going to get you those better results. So if you want to know exactly what kind of investor profile you are, I put together a free quiz that you can go ahead and take. It is probably 3 to 5 minutes, probably less than that, and it'll give you a personalized roadmap based on your goals, based on your skills, where you are right now, and ultimately where you're trying to go. And plus, once you take it, I'll send you some bonus resources to help you move to the next level even faster. So here's the next step. All you got to do is click on the link down in the show description, and that will take you over to the website. You click a few buttons, you answer a few questions, you're going to find your fit, and you can start your commercial real estate journey with real clarity and real confidence. So hopefully this was valuable for you, especially if you're a beginner, even if you're a little bit more advanced and you're thinking about where you're at right now and where you're looking to go. These can be some insightful things to think about and help you get a little bit more intentional and focused around what gaps you may need to fill or where you may need to double down. But overall, getting clarity in your investment vehicle, the strategy, and who you are based on your skills, time, and capital that aligns best with your goals is really, really important. So as always, I'm Matty A, helping you turn your commercial real estate investing into freedom. If you enjoyed this and found it somewhat valuable, smash that like button. And don't forget to check out the Wise Investor Vault and all of the great links and resources we have down below for you. And know that if you need anything, drop a comment, a question down below, and we're here to help and serve our wise investors as they build wealth and unlock financial freedom.